Welcome. I'm so glad you're here. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to optimize, resize, and crop your product images using Shopify's native editor tool. This is a great option if you don't have a ton of products and you need an easy image editor. I'm Carrie, Shopify expert and owner of Core Marketing Group, where we help to educate small business owners on how to effectively set up and optimize your Shopify store for optimum conversions and increased revenue. So here we are on our test website, and we have a bunch of different products. Most of them are sized correctly, and we have even a couple that have a little bit of different cropping. So if we wanted to make these all the same size, there is a native tool within Shopify that you can easily do this. So here I'm going to navigate over to our products section, and what I'm going to do is click on one of these items. So I'm going to click on this copper desk accessories. And so once you've uploaded your photos, what you'll easily be able to do is you'll click on it. So you're going to see some icons down here in the lower left area of your screen. So you'll see crop and rotate, draw, and resize. So the resize tool will allow you to resize your image. If you want to keep the aspect ratio, which would actually size it down without making it all stretched, you would just keep the lock aspect ratio here. So if you were wanting to size, if this was a rather large image, what you can do is resize it. But in this case, what we're going to want to do is we're going to want to crop. So we have a couple of different options. We have your original, we have freeform, square, 8 by 10, 5 by 7, and 4 by 3. So what we're going to do is we're going to choose the squared option. And then also if you wanted to flip or rotate your images, you also have these options as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit done, and it has resized our image. And then all we'll have to do is hit save. Also, please note from the screen, you can also add the alt text to your product images. So that's a great way for SEO image search with Google to put in your alt text. It's also really important for accessibility. So if somebody has different accessibility issues, having an alt text in there helps them describe what the image is. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to close this out. And now I'm going to go over here to our website. And now you're going to see that the image now is cropped to match the correct size as the other product images that I have. Another example I'm going to show you would be to resize. So a lot of times if you have product images and the images are really large, my recommendation is always to keep them below probably 1500 pixels by 1500 pixels. Anything larger than that is going to affect your site speed. So you'll want to make sure your images are resized appropriately for web. So if I wanted to resize this image, all I would have to do is click the resize button and say I want to make this 850 by 850. It's going to automatically resize it, and then I can save it. And then that's also going to resize the image down so it is optimized for faster load time. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you have any questions, please leave them below. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you want to be updated on new tutorials for your Shopify store every week.